Click the globe icon to choose an output coordinate system. Type UTM in the search box and click Enter. Expand the projected coordinate system, UTM, and NAD 1983 entries. Find NAD 1983 UTM Zone 13N and click to highlight it. Click the tiny star icon next to the name to add this coordinate system to the favorites list to make it easier to find again. Click OK to accept the coordinate system, and double-check that the output coordinate system in the tool reads NAD 1983 UTM Zone 13N. Click Run to execute the tool.